symptoms of feelings of guilt and shame and lonely and all these things. So I know that the work I'm doing is working, even though how I feel isn't necessarily something I want to repeat or hang out in. You see what I mean? So there's going to be clues because some of you are like, how do I know it's working? There's going to be wins a lot of places in a lot of other areas. Um, Aha moments. That's another thing. I've had all these like epiphanies as I'm starting to break this whole thing down. Because again, I don't read media, I don't do research, I didn't do any of that. There's enough research in my life for me that'll give me lifetimes of information. I don't want to read somebody else's things. So that's where I go into my life and just see the different reactions or hear the different stories from the people and the different responses that I give, or I talk about it to somebody and the way I deliver it was way different. I'm like, oh my God, even to you guys now, I've never said it this way. You'll notice changes in other systems. So my skin was responding as I said, that changed. I had a cyst that changed. I had total body weakness and fatigue that was changing. I couldn't digest. Um, Biggest rule in nourishment, eating when we're not hungry. Uh, and I